All right. Hey, everybody. Earlier today, I went on to Facebook and I did a live stream with improv. And some of you might be thinking, hey, I'm going to be in my house for a while. How do I do that? How do I stream to Facebook or to YouTube or to both? What's an easy way to do that for free? So I'm going to walk you through the steps real quick. First of all, I'm using Zoom. If you want to do that, it's pretty easy. If you want to do like a jam or something like that, you can invite people and you should be able to see my screen. Maybe you can't see. Hold on, let me make sure I'm sharing my screen here. Just easy to do. So we're going to share that. Okay, now you can see that. You can't probably see it, but if there's like an invite button down at the bottom of Zoom where you can invite people and then copy the link. So if you want to stream, the first thing that you do is you can go and download the Open Broadcaster software, which is OBS. Download that to your computer and you'll get into an application, and warning, this is going to be a pretty crazy looking thing in a second. It's going to be like a tunnel that looks like this. Oh no, that looks like this. So yeah, you can see it going on forever and ever and ever. So what I did was I just gave myself a screen capture, a display capture, as it's called down here, which is basically whatever on my screen is being streamed out to the world. And to do that, when you first get into this, there won't be anything written here. And you go into sources and you right click add, and you'll just add display capture. And that way, if you have something like Zoom or Skype up, as long as that's the window that's up for people to see, then you're good to go there. So they should see everything that you're seeing. So what I did was I just had Zoom up so people could see everybody's face there. So if you do a display capture there, click that and you create it, then that is what's being streamed here. Now the next step is to make sure that whatever it is that you're streaming is actually going out to the source that you want to stream. So in order to do that, the two most common places that people tend to go are going to be YouTube and Facebook. So for YouTube, make sure that you are going on YouTube now and authenticating your YouTube account, because it does take 24 hours for them to approve you to go live. But once you are on Facebook or YouTube, and I'm just on my YouTube channel here, I'll move myself to the side. If you click your face or whatever you have up there and go down to YouTube Studio and click that, they'll take you into this. And if you're not a YouTuber, the only button you'll need, there's a button you have to press. There's like a few things you can find to go live. I don't remember how to do that because I did it like months ago. But if you go to go live here, you'll click this and it'll set you up for everything that you need here. They'll ask you a few questions and you'll say create stream. And we'll just do blah for now. So if you're going to stream settings will be coming up, and then you'll need your stream URL, and then you'll need what your stream key is. So everything that you do this with, whether this be Facebook or YouTube, you'll need a stream key. And in order to find that, that's how you find it here on YouTube. And once you find that information on OBX, you go down to settings, which is down here in the bottom of your screen. You can see me waving my mouse around. Settings, and then you go to stream here, and you will choose Facebook Live or YouTube or whatever you do from this thing. If it's YouTube or Facebook Live, they'll know your server. You don't have to copy that other information, and then you copy your stream key in here. Why this is all blacked out is because if you had my stream key, you could stream as me, which is obviously something that we don't want to do. So you click that in, you hit OK, and then through YouTube, once you go, and then I'm not set up to stream through YouTube right now, I'm gonna fix that later. But once you set up all of that and say that you're done, then you would go here and there's there will be a button that says like go live, and then up here, up at the top, then you'll go live through YouTube there. So that's one way to do it. If you want to do it through Facebook, go to your create post, these three dots, and then go to live video. And then it's going to ask you if you can do camera, you're going to want to click connect. I'm not going to click it because it's going to show my stream key and then I'd have to reset it, and I don't want to do that because it's going to mess some stuff up. But once you hit connect, it shows you the stream key and it does the exact same things. And then to reiterate, you just go into settings, choose Facebook Live under stream, copy that information in, and hit OK. Then there will be a button on Facebook that says go live. In order for that to work, you need OBS to be sending that information to it. So you just hit start streaming on here. And there's a bunch of other settings that you can play around with and things that you can do. But really, I'll stop sharing so you can see me again. Really, those are the basics. If you just want to get something out there and then figure out the rest of the information, that's all you need to know. So there you go. Happy streaming, happy improving. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm happy to help. I'll put my email down in the bottom there. But enjoy and stay safe and keep socially distant. Stop recording. There it is.